It's truly unbelievable. The sheep before us had its eyes completely covered by wool. If not trimmed soon, it would probably turn into a big fluffy ball. So the mistress quickly brought out the clippers, held the sheep between her legs, and began from its head, shearing downward along the wool. To avoid hurting the sheep, she carefully trimmed every patch of its fleece. The sheep also cooperated well, knowing that shearing was nothing but beneficial. Throughout the process, it remained calm and compliant. After more than 10 minutes of trimming, the thick wool was finally removed. At that moment, the sheep, as if relieved of a heavy burden, became light and refreshed. The contrast before and after was simply remarkable.